if I'll be able to get a frozen drink from this Maccas.
Want to do it?
I might.
You double dare me?
I double.
You triple dare me?
I'm going to go in here and I'm going to get.
All right.
Because I want a bloody frozen drink. I don't bloody want a Coke. Well, I like it. Coke, but
did I?
left here and then you gotta go straight.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
Because this Maccas is fucking weird. The way you gotta go in and out. It's
Oh, tell me about it.
ridiculous.
Oh, yeah, there we go.
And then left here.
Yep, I saw the sign. So,
And then the drive-through.
the dries are the throughs for the us for the nows.
For the nows, yes, for the nows.
Yep, for the me's, for the you's, for the nows.
For the re's, for the girls, for the R's, for the I's, for the M's.
Yeah, to be obtaining for the frozens of the Cokes, of the Fantas, with the raspberries, of the pineapples, and also for the blues of the mangoes.
Yes.
For the me's, for the you's, for the nows. You see how quickly we catch on? I'm starting to quickly catch on with Damien's talk.
Yes. She'll hear me, I'll talk louder.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Hi, could I please get a half raspberry, half pineapple frozen, please?
Raspberry pineapple frozen?
Yeah, and the $2 McBites, please.
Anything else?
That's all right, thank you.
Um,
My friend wants to do a separate order as well.
Yeah, I'm doing a separate order. A blueberry and mango Fanta, please.
Yep.
And what were you getting on with the meal?
$2 McBites.
$2 McBites as well, thanks.
Anything else?
That's all, mate.
Just drive around.
Cheers. Finally, a Maccas that does have frozen drinks.
Oh man. Hi, what can I get for you? Hi, what can I get for you?
They sound really
Hi, what can I get
depressed.
for you?
They sound very depressed when they say that.
I know. It's like at least I was gonna be like, hi, what can I get for you? You know, and have a bit of a more upbeat kind of sounding.
You know what I
voice.
said? Hey, welcome to Burger Time, frying and buying.
Oh, dear. Let's see what one she's going to do first.
We'll wait and see.
We'll do mine first.
10 pies, college frozen raspberry pineapple for the first.
Yep, that'll be my one. Just pay pass things, mate. Josh, yeah, you're good. Thanks.
There you go.
Blueberry, mango, and the 10 pies is $3 as well.
Excellent, mate. There we go.
Have a good one.
So which
Thank you.
window, mate?
Just next
This
one.
Excellent.
second one there, yeah.
Oh my God, it's like the third drive-through we've been in.
And you ordered in every one.
Hey, how you going?
Yeah, good, mate. I don't know whose that one is, but
That'll be mine. I'll say.
so what's this one? Oh, that's mine. There's yours.
Sorry, just one more bag to come.
Okay.
There you go.
What flavours did you get?
Blueberry and mango.
Okay, this will be mine then.
Now that's better. You know, we should take a photo of all the things we bought.
Oh man.
Oh, hey, why not? And let me know. Well, hey, if we're gonna meet up one more time during the COVID, we got to do it in style.
Well, that's it.